Good morning. Hi. This is my first time actually doing a video. Um, and I was so proud of my Magic Chef 0.9 cubic foot portable washer that I wanted to share the experience of using it with you. This is the Magic Chef manual right here. This shows the energy guide, and it's wonderful. I absolutely love my Magic Chef. And this is my Magic Chef. And this is what I use. I live in an apartment, and I was tired of having to haul my clothes up and down the steps and use a public washer and dryer. I will be showing you my dryer next, but I just wanted you to see the layout of it. It fits perfectly where I have it right now. It's easy to assemble. I had no problems at all. And I will be showing you that all next time. And this right here, I just leave it like this, connected. And I just wanted you to see that for yourself. Let's see how it looks. It's a great portable washer. And these are the settings right here. And you'll get a better look at it with my next video. Let me zoom in right there. That's a spin, and it has great little paws. I have not had any problems with my Magic Chef at all. No, I had one situation right here. It just happened one time, and the leak, it was loose, and it was had a slight leak to it. I just tightened it back up, and it was fine. And it's just a great little washer. I'm gonna open it up here, and then you can see the bottom. And right here it has, if I can get that out, there we go, the lint trap, and it catches it really well. Okay, and this is where the water would of course come out, and this is the hose that you would hook, and this connects to my sink. And one of the things I did do, of course, I got an adapter right there, and that's one of the things I had to do, so to connect it, and it works out just fabulous. Well, that's it for this video, and the next video I will be showing will be the washer, how it functions, and step by step what I do for that. And thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like and subscribe. This is my first time doing this, and I'm a novelist at it. So everyone have a blessed day.